Ever wonder how your digital wallet actually makes money? You know, the one you use for everything from your morning coffee to your late-night food delivery? Specifically, if you are in Southeast Asia, you are probably very familiar with Grabpay. It's incredibly convenient, letting you go cashless for rides, food, groceries, and even in-store purchases. But beyond the seamless experience, have you ever paused to think about how Grabpay, a seemingly free service for users, actually generates its revenue? It's a fascinating question because at first glance, it might seem like a simple transaction facilitator. You load money, you spend money, end of story. But Grabpay is much more than just a payment portal. It's a crucial component of Grab's larger super app ecosystem. And within that ecosystem, there are multiple, strategic ways Grabpay ensures it's a profitable venture. One of the most direct ways Grabpay earns money is through transaction fees. When you use Grabpay to purchase something from a merchant, that merchant typically pays a small percentage of the transaction value to Grab. Think of it like a processing fee. While it might be a small cut on each individual transaction, when you consider the sheer volume of transactions happening daily across millions of users and thousands of merchants, these small percentages quickly add up to a significant revenue stream. This is a standard model for many payment processors, and Grabpay leverages its massive user base to make this highly effective. Beyond direct transaction fees, Grabpay also generates revenue through its financial services offerings. Grab has expanded well beyond just payments. They offer services like Pay Later, which allows users to pay for Grab services at the end of the month or even in installments. While often interest-free for users, there can be penalty fees for late payments, which contribute to Grabpay's revenue. Furthermore, Grab's financial arm, Grab Finance, provides loans to its merchant partners and drivers. These loans, naturally, come with interest, which is another income source. They also delve into insurance products through Grab Insure, where they partner with insurance companies and earn commissions or fees from policies sold through the platform. Then there's the loyalty program and partnerships. Grabpay is deeply integrated with Grab Rewards. Every time you use Grabpay, you earn points. These points can be redeemed for various vouchers and discounts, which might seem like a cost to Grab. However, this loyalty program incentivizes users to constantly choose Grabpay over other payment methods, increasing transaction volume. Additionally, Grab often partners with other businesses for these rewards. These partners might pay Grab a referral fee or a commission for bringing in new customers through the Grab Rewards program. It's a clever way to keep users engaged and create mutually beneficial relationships with other businesses. Finally, Grab's massive user data and engagement provide avenues for advertising revenue. While not a direct Grabpay income stream, the payment platform plays a critical role in collecting valuable user data: what you buy, where you buy it, and how often. This data, anonymized and aggregated, allows Grab to offer highly targeted advertising solutions through Grab Ads. Businesses pay Grab to reach this engaged audience with relevant promotions and ads within the Grab app, and Grabpay's data insights make these ad campaigns incredibly effective, indirectly boosting the value of the Grab ecosystem, including Grabpay. So, while it feels like a free and convenient service, Grabpay is actually a sophisticated, multifaceted revenue generator. It leverages transaction fees, expands into financial services, builds loyalty through rewards and partnerships, and even contributes to advertising revenue by providing valuable user data. It's a prime example of how a digital payment platform can be much more than just a way to move money around. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.